Hello and welcome to the Aspirin Shed once again. Just a very quick update on the 4-stroke again. I've done a very cheap and dirty conversion just to stick an OS carb on it, just to see if it will do sustained running. So I'll just change the angle, we'll mount it up and we'll have a go. Quick and dirty carburetor bodge, just to see if it will actually run. It sucked the fuel up out of the tank, so I suppose that's a good start. Didn't seem too bad, did it? Well, it does actually run quite well. It even sounds like an engine. One more go. Increase the mixture a bit. More mixture. I don't know if I'm going the wrong way or the right way. If I flooded it, I'll have a look, come back. But it ran. Can't ask for any more than that, can you? So I'll carry on, I'll make my carburetor now. I'm happy, very happy. Well, I call that a success. I'm very happy. I have built a 4-stroke engine which runs, and what I've been thinking, I wonder what it'd be like to make a 4-cylinder inline version of this. It'd be a bit big and heavy because it would be about 30cc, but everything's possible now, in it. See you next time. So thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and thanks for hanging out in the shed.